Hello, my beautiful Crystar family. In this video, let's talk about what does it mean to be a Crystar being? What does it mean to activate our 12th dimensional shield? Or what does it mean to be able to hold 12 strands of DNA or 24, 30, or 48? And we're going to look at what does it mean if we have corrupted strands or inactive DNA strands, and then how are we tagged by implants or seals. And I'm going to do this today from an older book. And this book is called The Secrets of the Indigos. And this book is great. It's a really great way to kind of simplify a lot of these things, and it really talks about the indigo races and the different types of ways that we hold this mission. So this is Coming to the Light, Secrets of the Indigo Children. This one was written quite a while ago, 2000, by Ashiana Dean. And we're just going to slide down here to page 10 within it. And within here, we're going to see that it goes very simply into the harmonics of the universe and these kinds of things within here. And I'm actually going to slide down a little bit more, and let's go ahead and look at this. So within here, we're going to see that when we are activating our diamond sun, if you've seen me post in a lot of things, the double diamond and then the heart, this is what we are referring to within that, and it is about being a diamond heart or a double diamond heart. So a diamond heart is going to be obviously 12 strands as we're looking at this. And this was the original human Ternesium design, to have these 12 activated DNA strands, the ability to hold 12 rays of the light coming in. Now, I do want to just start by saying, remember, if we're not a full avatar and not even a full reshape, but when we really embody a full ascension, we become 360 degrees. So we can begin to see that 12 is but a portion of our full essence as the star that we are. So we're going to see that this is going to be holding the energy of diamond sun 12 strand DNA matrix. So this is what 12 strands would look like, and this was the original 12 tribes, the original Ternesium races that were seeded. Now we're going to see that throughout history, uh, there's been a lot of influence. That our race, the Terranusium, was created 560 million years ago in harmonic universe 2. So this is going to be Pleiadian, Taran body, and this is going to be pre the wars and the explosions that pulled us into this density of the first harmonic universe. That our race has experienced excessive genetic digression through ancient tampering by visitors from other worlds. The contemporary indigo children are hybrids of the elder races plus seventh root race and Melchizedek and Uniceti cloister plus modern human. So we're hybrids. We are. We hold a lot of different genetics in order to create reversals to the mutations to the human gene code. So we are here to restore, first of all, the diamond sun DNA template matrix that is potential within the Earth human lineage. And this plan has been actively orchestrated by members of the elder races of higher evolution who still reside in the higher harmonics of matter. So indigos are extraterrestrial future race hybrids, but more fully human than we are. So let's go ahead. This is going to, if you download this book, you'll be able to see all of these things within here. So now let's just dive down into some of the reversals. We're going to see that when we talk about the Templar seal, the Templar axiom seals, the ruby sun reversals on the body, what it is these are hybrids that are missing one of the spikes within here. So these are going to be 11 strand reversals. And these are going to be basically the clearings that we are going to do when we work through the 11th dimensional plane and clearing a lot of these Nephilim hybridizations, Nephilim timelines, and really looking at the Black Sun energy and Orion Draconian Anunnaki energies that were hybridized on to the Diamond Sun template. And when they did that, they removed one of these, and then you'll see there's these cubes or these implants that get placed right on the DNA strand. And when we do the seals and implants clearing, this is what we're doing. We're going in here and clearing these off in order to begin to free up the energy on that ray of light in that DNA strand. But secondly, because you are a crystalline starseed indigo Christos being, you have the ability to then, through your intention, pull this missing ray back online. So that's how we do a lot of that clearing. Now we're going to see where this is the 666. This is the 9th strand reversal that happened, and this happened through the Nibiruan, Pleiadian, also Nephilim, Draconian, Anunnakis. So more hybridization, more digression, and then you're going to see it's 3 strands that got taken out and even more seals and implants placed upon the body. So this was that Templar axiom seal. So just to know, there was a Templar seal about 10,000 years ago. And then because things kept digressing, there was yet another seal that got placed on to cap these erase lines from moving into the higher planes in order to not corrupt the higher planes. Now we're going to see there's a Belial sun. This is going to be yet another type of digression that has happened. This is the 10 strand. So this will have 2 missing spikes, and then we'll see again here some different implants and cubes within there. All of these are going to be things that we will look at and clear through the course of the seals and implants clearing, and also getting to use the new aquiline suns, the new rays and energies that are coming in to help us correct these energies. Now, there is one that's basically almost a full reversal. It's the Black Sun, and you can see it's 10, but look, it's all black. So it's different. There isn't any real Christic energy. This is going to be the energy that you're going to see of people with absolutely no empathy. This is going to be more like even some of the clone beings and true psychopaths, true people or individuals that take pleasure in the things that they are doing against the Christos energy. So now we looked at the 12 strand. This was the original Terranusium human race, was the 12 strand. Okay, so this was like the root races that were coming in to do the rehabilitation, but then the indigos started incarnating in. And so if you hold indigo template, let's look at what this is to start to amplify this. Now we're going to have what is known as the double diamond sun 24 strand matrix. And this is going to be held with the host race of the Orifem, and they're able to hold this energy here of these 24 strands within. And when these energies come online, you can see not only does it heal and repair those distorted lines, but it doubles it up. And this is where we get that double diamond heart energy, where we're activating the fire letters and scalar wave sequences in order to fully and completely begin to correct our Christos template. Now it goes beyond this. So we're going to see that each of the indigo race lines can actually carry a little bit of a different strand. So then we have the Emerald Sun 48 strand DNA matrix, and you're going to see that's the 24 doubled up to 48. And this is really going to hold a level of energy where we are being encouraged now to actually create our 12th dimensional shield and then amplify it up. Like there's a meditation, go through that meditation amplify your 12th dimensional shield to the 48th dimension in order to begin to, you can see, woo, amplify the radiance that you are as you begin to increase this. So now this is what you'd see as this vibrational energy coming through. And as we begin to correct all of these energies, just know that indigos really come in to begin to plug in the missing pieces. We are here to clear out those shadows. Is it easy? No, it's not. But we got this. We can absolutely do this. If you want to download this book, it's great. It goes into how to kind of understand some of the different things about indigo. Primarily, she only talks about really indigo type 1, 2, and 3 in here. This was before type 4 really came online, which is really the type 3 letting go of the indigo type 3 contracts and moving in primarily more into a type 1 type of template. So I hope that helps a little bit understand when we talk about 12th dimensional shield, what are we talking about? What are we creating? We are inheriting again our original Terranusium blueprint, but now as the crystalline beings, the indigo races, the star seeds that are coming in, you're coming in with more activated rays. Are they all online? No. Are some of them corrupted? Yes. Some of them are being, impeded by these corrupted genetics from some of those Nephilim, Orion, those Templar seals, so on and so forth. And so, as we go in there and just clear them, reset them with these core practices, we are actually not only bringing our radiance online, we're really boosting it up to at minimum that 48 dimensional emerald orifim template. So with so much love, I helped this a little bit, explain a little bit more about what some of this work is that we are doing.